So something I want to do in the future with a video series is more like a long-term docu-series that can run a span of years. I get a lot of questions, I get a lot of how-to questions, but also questions that aren't how-to or tech-related. So I think this would be a good medium for me to help explain those questions or answer the questions themselves and kind of elaborate more on them and give more of a non-text type tone and explain things better. So I'm going to try to do this, and it might take a while to get things kind of off the ground with the videos. But what I'm asking of you is if you have any questions for me and you want to submit those, you can submit them to Cornfieldcustomsltd at gmail.com, and I'll get those queued up. And as we go through the docu-series process, I can get some of those answered and cover them the best I can. And hopefully the questions will be more deep dives into whatever you guys want to know that's not necessarily tech related or how-tos. So get those questions coming, and I'll get started on the docu-series, and hopefully that's something that kind of takes off and you guys find really interesting. And I want to thank you guys for watching, and thanks in advance for submitting questions, and I'll get the docu-series off the ground.